We are Atarraya. We're making a sustainable future for animal protein possible. We have studied nature and have combined what we've learned with cutting-edge technology to create a solution which will feed the world. Introducing Shrimpbox, the world's first fully sustainable urban shrimp farm that will bring fresh, locally produced shrimp to every corner of the earth. We are the new faces of farming who are breaking the mold of what it means to grow food in the 21st century, who are willing to do it the right way by embracing new technology. We are proud of what we do, and we are happy to show how we do it. We can't afford to let the traditional, short-sighted fishing industry undermine our future. Our job is to bring people together to spark a revolution in animal protein and to protect our oceans. Want to learn how to get involved? Visit www.atarraya.ai.